XLM price prediction. The broader market pullback in late February led to the emergence of a strong support line at $0.35 for Stellar Lumens. This barrier was tested once again over the past week and proved successful in defending a sharper drop once again. While the alt's price was quick to recover from the most recent fall, the bears rejected the price above $0.4 and XLM established just below the aforementioned level. A bearish crossover in the MACD halted the upwards trajectory as the price broke above $0.40, retested the level and flipped it to a line of resistance after reversing the trajectory. At the same time, the RSI pointed north from 50 and underlined a degree of bullish presence in the market. The next target for bulls would be the upper ceiling of $0.44. So what are the latest Stellar Lumens news? Stellar Lumens XLM trying to achieve mature and well-managed decentralization. Stellar is a peer-to-peer network which is made of nodes, which are made of computers which can communicate and validate transactions to it. Users should understand what it takes to run a node and how to do it in the first place in a way to create and support a decentralized network. Nodes are what make decentralized a reality. Meridian 2020 discussed a lot about the network itself. It discussing about protocol development and how to build apps to take advantage of protocol features and Horizon Stellar API. So let's back to XLM price prediction and price chart. From the chart we can see XLM price has formed 3 swing highs. These swing highs tapped the resistance at $0.43 since February 23. At the same time, 3 swing lows was formed during the same period and it saw a bounce from the $0.33 support barrier. Now if we connect the swing highs and swing lows, a flat channel will be formed. This setup forecasts a 20% upswing to $0.52 if the upper trend line at $0.43 is reachable. A bounce from the middle line at $0.39 or the immediate support at $0.38 could propel XLM price to the upper boundary. A spike in bullish momentum here leading to a decisive close above $0.43 on the 12-hour chart, and this will confirm a bullish breakout. So if this happens, Stellar is likely to surge 20% and it will hit the intended target at $0.52. Also keep in mind that a low social volume creates a perfect scenario for a surge in the Stellar price. If XLM price convincingly slides below $0.35 level, the bullish thesis might be in trouble. A decisive close below $0.33 will invalidate the positive outlook and trigger a sell-off to the immediate support at $0.31. So the current price of Stellar Lumens is $0.400078 today. Calculation for trading. Resistance level R3 0.423, resistance level R2 0.419, resistance level R1 0.412, pivot point 0.4079, support level S1 0.4016, support level S2 0.397, support level S3 0.391. For more technical analysis, subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.